Hey, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. This video, I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to turn a laptop or PC into a smart Android TV. So, let's get started. Before we even begin to connect anything, here are 3 things you need for turning laptop or PC into a smart TV. Number 1, a streaming media player such as Fire Stick TV, Roku, or Google Chromecast, Xiaomi Mi Boxes, and more. These devices allows you to do the TV streaming services onto your PC or laptop. Number 2, an HDMI video capture device or a video capture card. Why should we have this device? Because most of the laptops and PCs don't have the HDMI input ports. Therefore, we need an HDMI to USB video capture card, which sends the video signal from the other device into a USB port on your laptop or PC. Number 3, OBS free streaming app. So, we've got the physical devices to turn the laptop or PC into a smart TV already. Now, all you need is a streaming app or software to fulfill these tasks. I chose OBS software, which is free and it's quite multitasking when it comes to streaming services. So, install the OBS on your laptop or PC, and we'll move forward to the step-by-step connection and test out the results. Step number 1. Connect the HDMI streaming media player into the HDMI video capture device. Here in this video, I'm using an Amazon Fire Stick TV with HDMI. So plug Fire Stick TV to the HDMI port in the video capture card. Step number 2. Connect the USB side to the laptop or PC USB port. Now plug the USB card into its port on your laptop or PC. Remember to plug it into the USB port that has function of transferring data, not the charging USB port. Step number 3. Open OBS on your laptop or PC and follow these configurations. Once the OBS got open, look down the setting dashboard and find the source section. Click on the plus button and add source. Next, choose video capture device. You can name this device in the OBS as Fire Stick as for easy remembering. Once you click on OK, another pop-up window comes. Here, under the device option box, choose USB video because you are using Fire Stick on the HDMI to USB video capture device. Right away, it will load the Fire Stick TV on board. Now, if you want a full screen TV, right click on the empty space, then choose the option for full screen projector preview. Step number 4. Start using the remote control for Fire Stick TV as normal. Use the Fire Stick TV remote to navigate around and use voice command function on the remote for searching specific items that you want to watch.
And that's it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos later on. Bye for now.